Guys, this is my preparation is going on. Hey guys, welcome back to Magical Studies. I hope you guys are well. So guys, right now I'm going on with my social science practice. I'm doing the economics. So I'm done with my maths, Hindi and English pre-board. Now I have next pre-board on 26th December. I have 4 days for preparation. So I'm start with economics, and today I'm doing economics. So right now I am done with first chapter development. I complete this revision of MCQ. I'll make a page where I write the chapter's name, revision 1, revision 2, revision 3, and MCQ practice. Thoroughly read the chapter and practice of sample paper questions. So I'm done with chapter first. First and second revision is the main I had chosen, and MCQ is completed. Now I'm going to second chapter, sectors of Indian economy. So yes guys, this is my preparation is going on, and let's start. So right now guys, I'm done with my economics and I'm done with my revision of geography. Now I'm going to start uh, pol science, and after finishing the pol science I'm doing the MCQ practice of pol science in geography. That is not completed, and timer is going on, and I'm studying this.